Good day to the lecturers. We are from Group 2-3 and the title of our integrated project is Production of nafamostat mesylate. The group members are Yugendran Kamya, Ishwari Rajan, Manglambige Murugaya and Yuvanesh Sivakumar. We are here to present about separation process 1 and the unit operation chosen is distillation column.
In chemical engineering, separation process is used to transform a mixture of substance into two or more distinct products. The separation process of water from nafamostat mesylate is performed at distillation column 1. So, for this plant, sieve tray is chosen since it has more advantages compared with others such as low cost and more convenient to use. Besides that, pressure drop using sieve tray is lower compared to other types of tray like valve and bubble cap trays. The capacity of sieve tray is also higher than the bubble cap.
Hi, my name is Manglambige. For process design, in our production, we want to produce about 523,439.63 kg per hour of nafamostat mesylate. Mass flow rate for feed is 42,958 kg per hour, while the mass flow rate for steam is 34,895.97 kg per hour. Distillation column is used to purify the mixture from the mixture. The composition of water and nafamostat mesylate is shown below in the table. Below are shown the symmetry calculations of distillation column D101 to compare between manual calculations and symmetry calculations. The first diagram shows the inlet stream of distillation column D101 and the second diagram shows the outlet stream 1 of distillation column D101. The third diagram here shows the outlet stream 2 of distillation column D101. Here, the overall symmetry calculations for the distillation column D101 is not shown because we were unable to converge it. Lastly, the comparison between manual calculations and symmetry calculations are shown in the table below. Thank you. The extraction processes have evolved with the objective of purifying and maximizing the yield of a target compound without affecting the properties of the compound. The extraction process consists of the extraction tower, rectification tower for the recovery of the extraction agent, and the water stripping tower. The feed mixture has a greater density than the solvent and is fed in at the top end of the extraction tower. It streams inside the tower towards the bottom and in process gives off nafamostat mesylate to the extraction tower and is recovered in downstream stripping tower. Stainless steel will be wetted by either organic or aqueous phase depending on the initial exposure of the surface. In most of the cases, metal packing is used preferably with aqueous continuous phase, whereas plastic packing should be preferred when operating with organic as continuous phase. We usually avoid using ceramics due to the risk of their brittleness, blocking pumps and valves due to the clipping and decomposition during operation.
Hello, I'm Yugendran. The first step to find number of stages is to determine n minimum by using Fensky equation that has been simplified in a more convenient form. By using the formula, n minimum is 1 stages. The second step is R minimum is calculated by using the first Underwood equation. Since the thermal condition of the feed is at bubble point is set to equal to 1. By using the goal seek, we get the phi value is 0.73. The third step is using the second Underwood equation. By using the formula, the value of R minimum is 0.705. R is set to some factor of R minimum, assuming that 2 are 2 times R minimum. Thus, the R value is 1.41. To find number of stages, Molokhanov correlation is used. The value of x is 0.29 and the value of y is 0.785. Then using y, the number of stages is calculated. Thus, the number of stages is 8.
The column height is heavily dependent upon the spacing between the sieve trays. We choose 24 in tray spacing so that it is easy for maintenance and it is optional for wide range condition. First of all, The density value of vapor and liquid nafamostat mesylate is calculated. Then Kv value of 0.14 feet per second at 24-inch tray spacing is obtained from the separation process principle book. Vmax and V design values are calculated, followed by the tower cross section of 3.1 meter square and the diameter of 2 meter. Since the value of diameter is between 1 to 3 meter, so the tray spacing is 600 millimeter. Height of the distillation column is calculated by multiplying tray spacing, which is 0.60, with the number of stages, which is 8 stages. Finally, the height of distillation column of 4.8 meter is obtained.